What's up, guys? Y'all seem to like the last time I did a What Vegan Husbands Want video, so I'm hitting you up with another one.
And another one,
And another one, and another one. Now, as you guys know, we have 6 vegan kids. And if you didn't know, we are a vegan family of 8. So hit that subscribe button for more videos. So our kids will tell you the hardest part about being vegan is catalogs that come in the mail. McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, Steak and Shake. You know, the ones with the coupons and all that stuff. And they got the pictures. They see it. They want it. They gotta have it.
See it. I want it. I got it.
I likes you and I wants you. So what we decided to do was make a vegan version for the sausage McMuffin with egg. So we went to Publix this morning and this is what we got. So today we're gonna show you guys how to make a vegan sausage egg McMuffin. Vegan sausage egg McMuffin. Now we actually have our own recipe for our vegan sausage, vegan eggs, and vegan biscuits, which you'll see in our upcoming cookbook. But today, we just went ahead and picked up a few items from Publix so we can make this video for you guys. So this awesome company reached out to us and sent us a food scale that we're going to show you guys today. And if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and check out the description box and click on the link to go ahead and get yourself one of these as well. So the company is called E-Tech City, and this is the box that it comes in, as you can see. And on the back are the specs. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing so you guys see what it looks like. All right, so we go ahead and open it up. It comes with the manual and some paperwork. Now, as you can see, it is very tightly packaged so that it doesn't come damaged. And I actually like the packaging. It's really well done. And voila! As you can see, it is very nicely crafted. Yeah, you can see some fingerprints there because it has been used. We have been using it. But when it comes, it does come with like a little thing that you got to pull out so that you can activate it. It's a little strip. And all you got to do is press that and it turns on. Look at that. Ooh. Alright, so what's really unique about this scale is that it comes with an app, so you can keep track of all your nutrition, all your calories, if you like to count your calories, that kind of thing. And as you can see with the app, once you put in what you're weighing, it gives you all the nutrition facts. As you can see, this is a Fuji apple, but it is a really cool app, so I really think you guys should check it out. So now we're about to fix up these breakfast sandwiches, so let's get to the kitchen. Alright, so we got our Just Egg here, and the serving size says it's going to be 3 tablespoons or 44 milliliters. Alright, so I got the scale on, and I'm going to change my unit to milliliters. And I'm going to go ahead and pour until I get the 44. Yep, 48, right. But that'll work. Alright, and that is supposed to be the serving size. I already have my butter melted, my vegan butter that is. So let's go ahead and pour that in there.
Are the instructions on the bottle on how to use it?
The instructions simply say pour it, stir it, scramble it like eggs.
Okay. Oh, how was the scale? How was the scale to use?
The scale is amazing. I love this scale, man.
Yeah. Mookie came downstairs, he was like, wow. Yeah,
it's a beautiful specimen. I love it. It's really cool. I like it. Ooh, look at this already falling up.
Okay. Are you going to use a fork or anything? What are you using?
Yeah, I'm going to scramble it with my spoon here. And scramble it up pretty nice.
Yeah, scramble out pretty nice.
Turn the heat down a little bit. Okay, so I'm just separating it because I want to taste it by itself. Then I want to taste it with a little bit of seasoning on there.
I like the texture. The texture
Yeah, it
looks good.
nice.
We definitely put a little too much oil though.
A little too much, but
a little too much butter.
It's all good. Got a little black salt here that we're gonna be adding. So this is the salt that we use when we make our tofu scramble, and we're gonna be trying it on the Just Egg today. Put a little bit on there, just a little.
Just a little.
That should be good.
And what does the black salt do again?
It's gonna give it that eggy taste.
Exactly.
It's like full of sulfur or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. You have a fork?
I have a little spoon here.
You're gonna use a spoon?
Yeah, I'm gonna use a little spoon. All right, so I'm trying it out. Trying it out.
You like it?
It's pretty good. Try a little bit. It's pretty good.
I like the texture.
It tastes like scrambled eggs. Let's try it with the black salt now.
Oh, the black salt wasn't on that one? Huh. Interesting. Is it even better?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. Let me try it.
Because it gives you a little bit of salt. And
Egg.
The extra
Oh my
egg.
gosh. Okay. 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 Yo, you gotta measure out. You gotta do the serving size. That's why you need that scale.
Because that was just enough for a sandwich too. Like,
yeah. All right, let's make those sandwiches.
All right, let's make the sandwich. Just buttering up my bread or my muffin, McMuffin. All right, second batch. Let's see how this one turns out.
Did you like adding the black salt after the fact?
I did.
Okay.
Because the black salt is very strong, so you don't want to put too much.
Yeah.
But you know, it's a nice little addition to.
So you don't want to add it before. You want to put it on afterwards.
Add it after. All right, so I'm gonna finish this up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the sandwich together. So now I'm putting it on my sandwich. Ooh. See?
Ooh. Ooh.
Look at that, boy.
That's perfect. Ooh. That is perfect.
I am not mad at that at all. Just a little. That's there you go. That black pepper on there. Black pepper bay. All right.
Smells mad eggy.
Mad eggy.
Yeah, mad eggy.
All right, so next up, we're going to melt our cheese onto our vegan sausage. So people are always asking, how do you melt vegan cheese? This is how we do it. So you gotta put your cheese on top there. And we're just gonna add a little bit of water, just enough. There you go, that's good. And then we're gonna put our cheese on the top. Sorry, I was handling this cheese, so it got all broken up.
Mad handling.
Then you're gonna put your stove on high. All right, and then you're gonna cover it. And you wanna leave that for, I would say about 30 seconds to 1 minute. 2 if you're nasty. But, you know, you're gonna see it through, as you can see right now. See it starting to bubble up a little bit, and the cheese is gonna start melting around whatever your mock meat is, whether it's sausage, a burger, chicken patty, fish fillet patty, whatever you want to do it to, it'll work. And we're done. Look at that.
Wee. Melted, melted.
So now that that is done, we go ahead and we scoop up our sausage and we put it on our sandwich.
Sausage, egg on cheese on.
Woo-wee! Look at that bad boy.
Ooh. Every angle. Every angle. All right, let's get that plated up. Let's get the... can't even talk. Oh, let me see. Okay. Ooh.
Check that out. All right, so I'm gonna taste it in beautiful nature, as you can see.
Plant-based.
Come, Wesley.
How is it?
Mmm.
Is it everything you ever dreamed of?
It's better.
It's better? What's better about it? Ooh.
All of the flavors coming together, like the sausage, the egg, the saltiness from the sausage, the black salt from the egg, the just egg texture, like the muffin. Alright, so as you can see, Just Egg is a hit. It is simply delicious.
The sausage from Gardein too.
The sausage from Gardein is amazing. I recommend this to everyone.
Follow your heart cheese.
Run out and go get Just Egg. Run out and go get the new Gardein breakfast sausage.
Put a little bit of agave with that, or
a little
maple
bit of
syrup.
agave for that maple flavor. Pour some maple syrup on there, ketchup, salt, pepper, whatever you want to put on your sandwich. You know how you like it. And also make sure you get yourself a scale, because as you saw, we measured out perfect measurements so that we got the exact amount of egg that we want to get on each sandwich. So I'm gonna finish this sandwich. I'm gonna go ahead and make some sandwiches for my wife and kids. And we'll check in with you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
We post videos every
Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays.
Subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe and tell a friend.
Tell everybody.
Tell everybody. Tell the people you don't like to. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.